A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Students, in this module, we are going to understand how we can divide a number, and especially we will be focusing on division and especially dividing by tens. Right. So, you have to open page number 74 of your one and only book, which is New Enjoying Mathematics. And before starting exercise 4b, we need to focus on some of the basic concepts of division. As you can see, the question which I have taken over here is that we need to divide 350 by 10. Right. So the question is that we have to divide 350 by 10. For doing this, or for dividing 350 by 10, first we need to decide that from where we should start. Okay. So let me show you the solution. Now, as you can see, I have drawn a line like this which is required for the division. Now we need to divide 350 by 10. But as we can see here that we don't have enough hundreds. Right. Here at the place of 100 it is 3 only, and which is smaller than 10. Okay. So that means we need to take 5 also, and here we can if we will compare 35 and 10, so we have enough tens. Okay. And when you will divide 35 by 10, what you will get? For that you need to read the table of 10. So we already know that 10 threes are 30. Right. So we have this idea that 10 threes are 30. So this 3, which is the quotient, okay, when we are dividing 35 by 10, so the quotient 3 which we will get, we will start writing this quotient from the tens place. Okay, not from hundreds place, because we have included 5 also. Right. So the quotient will begin on the tens place. So here, as you can see, I have written 10 threes are 30. 35 minus 30 is 5. Okay. So this is the first step which we have already done. After this, now one more number is left, which is 0. So we will bring down 0 over here. Okay. So the number which was left was 5, and now it has become 50. Okay. So now we need to think and understand that in how many times we will get 50 in tens table. So it is very easy. If 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5, so 10 multiplied by 5 will be 50. Okay. So here we have 10 fives are 50, and after subtracting, the answer or the remainder is 0. So here the quotient which we have got is 35 and the remainder is 0. Right. So in these kind of quotient, children, you have to keep one thing in mind, that whenever you are dividing, okay, you need to decide that from where the quotient will be started writing. Okay, from where I will start writing the quotient. Okay, this is really very important. If I would have written this 3 here, so this would have become absolutely wrong. Okay, because the 10, it does not divide 3 only. Okay, because here we don't have enough hundreds. We need to take one more digit, and when we compare 10 and 35, we can see that 35 is greater than 10, and the number is absolutely ready to be divided by 10. So this is how we divide by tens. Okay, so I hope this much is absolutely clear to everyone. Further, children, you might be facing this kind of questions also. Okay, where the question will be written as use the first quotient to help you find the second quotient. Okay, I'm reading the question again for you. We have to use the first quotient to help you find the second quotient. How we can do this? And the quotient which we have taken is 270 by 30. Okay, for this, let me show you the solution. Children, for this kind of question, First we need to assume that we are dividing 27 by 3. Let's just forget about these zeros, okay, given in the number. Just assume that we have to divide 27 by 3. So if you know 3's table, it is very easy for you. You can simply write 27 divided by 3, and in 9 times we will get 27. Quotient is 9, remainder is 0. It is very easy. But when it comes to a number which has 0, okay, in the divisor also and in the dividend also, then it becomes little bit cumbersome, but it is not. Okay, what we have to do, we just have to assume that zeros are not present here, neither in the divisor nor in the dividend. Okay, so if you have already guessed, okay, 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27. So what we will do over here, we just need to write this 9, okay, where I have written this 9. I have not written this 9 at hundreds place nor at tens place, because we have to divide it by 30, and when you will multiply 30 by 9, you will get 270. So in 9 times, so the 9 will be written just above 1's place. Okay, so here we need to write 9. 9 multiplied by 30 will be 270. So I have subtracted this and I have found the answer also, and the quotient would be 9 and remainder is 0. So here you have to be very vigilant that where you are keeping the quotient. It is also very important to understand that the quotient should be placed correctly, and if we are not doing so, the answer will not justify, okay, the solution whatever you are showing. So this is all, children, for today's module. This was the 5th module, and after this you have exercise 4b and similar questions are there which I have explained you in this module. So till then, take very good care of yourself, and Jai Hind.